Hi my lovies, happy Valentine's Day. It's me, your favorite YouTuber. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you've read the title, it says how to make those beautiful floral teddy bear, and I've wanted those teddy bear for so long. And if you're a guy and if you're actually watching on how to make this teddy bear thingy, then keep on watching. Teddy bear, I mean, look at her, it's so cute. So this is my teddy bear. Let's call him Steven Universe. I love that cartoon so much. Anyway, so this is Steven, and are you ready for this? Anyways guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so basically what you will need for this project is I actually got these red roses. I'm not sure why I got red roses, but it's made out of foam. And basically what I'm planning to do is it should be like in the middle of a teddy. And then I also got those white flowers, these white flowers as well, and there's like 200 to 300 in them. And yeah, literally everything will be listed down in the description below. I actually got these pins as well. It's so pretty. It's like literally it looks like studs and all that. It's actually really pretty. Wait, I'll show you one because I actually did one. So this is what one of the flowers looked like with the stud in. Wait, I actually tried it before, but this is what it looks like. It's so pretty, and I really want my teddy bear to look like that. But we're not just going to stick it in because it might get off. So what I'm also going to do is I'm also going to use a glue, a fabric glue, so that it stays in when I actually put this in, like that. And the reason why I got a brown teddy bear because he was so cute. There was also a white version of him. And when it comes to glue, I actually got fabric glue, and I also got like an industrial super glue. So I'm not sure which one will work, but I literally got 2 of these. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna start with one of them. As you can see, basically what I did is I literally took a pin and then I literally went right through it like this. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some glue here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna start off by sticking it right on his head. So now what we're going to do is we're going to, where's my pin? Seriously, I keep losing everything. Okay, there it is. Never mind. So yeah, we're going to use some fabric glue to stick it in like that. Just go through this side. So basically this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm so sorry for bad lighting. I really am trying. And then what I'm going to do is, wait, I'm going to fix the lighting just a second. I'm using a fabric glue again. I'm literally saying it. But yeah, I'm going to go in like this. Literally, yep. Okay, so now the lighting's all better. Now we're going to get started. Doing is I'm just sticking a pin right through a flower, and then I'm just using glue. That's all I'm doing, honestly. So I'm going to let this be a bit tacky, and then I'll stick it in. And what I'm also doing is I'm literally squeezing the fabric against the glue. First of all, we're going to start off with the ears because I feel like it's more easier. And not just that, I feel like it will hold the shape. Hey guys, so fun fact, I actually ran out of the pins and I honestly had to stop my project for 2 days because it literally took me 2 days to get my pins, and I got these pins from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. There's like 200 pins in each. There's not much to explain, but without further ado, we're going to start our project again, and this is where my teddy is. I haven't really done much as I've actually ran out of pin, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I kind of ran out of product, so I had to get more pins. I literally got all of these from Amazon. I think I said it before, and then my glue is running out. I'm actually stressing out, and I actually ordered some more flowers because I literally ran out of flowers. And one thing about me is that I've been tearing petals because I feel like some of it, like, you know, there's like, look, for example, where spaces are over, yeah. So basically what I do is I already do have some glue here, so basically what I'm doing is I'm just going in between the spaces and I'm just like sticking that in. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like, yeah. So yeah, 3 days of crafting and I'm still working on it. It literally took me so much time, and honestly I love how this is coming out, how this is turning out, because like, look at this, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that. So yeah, I actually like how this is turning out, so yeah. But now we already have a butt part, and I'll get back to you once I'm actually done with it. Okay, so there's not much to show because I'm sure you guys understand what I'm doing. Okay guys, so when it comes to the tail, as you can see, the tail is a bit why isn't this showing? Okay, the tail is a bit big, and I honestly want the tail to stand out. So basically what I did is I stacked up few flowers together, as in I tore the petals, and then I literally just so basically what I'm doing here is I'm stacking up flowers, and then from here I'm gonna go like this, as you can see, and then after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some glue on this, like, yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I've already put some glue here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another flower in the middle, and it's going to look something like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another bit of glue because, yeah. And then I'm also going to stick this flower in between, like, yeah, like this, and it's going to look something like that. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just stacking up flowers and I'm putting glue on top of it. It's gonna look something like this, okay? And then another flower is gonna go on top of it. Basically I've stacked the flowers, that's all I'm doing. And it's just gonna go in like this, like just so that it could give like a tail-like shape. And then I'm gonna go in like this, like right through the tail. I'm just gonna go in like this because, like I said, I actually want the tail to be visible. So as you can see, it actually stacked up a flower. Wait, another one left, I'll be right back. So as you can see, it is already giving some tail-like shape, and that is exactly what I'm looking for. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is finally the end of a video, and look at that teddy bear. I am so glad with the way this bear came out. I kind of understand why it's pricey because honestly this project took me like 3 to 4 days to actually make it, and the bear, so let's just count the total price of how much it was. So the bear was £4, the foams were £12, the little red ones, they were like £6, and the stones, they were like £1 each. So in total the whole thing was around £18, whereas if you buy this bear from the market it's going to be around £30 to £40. So I think like I am really happy with the way my bear turned out. Anyways guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this because I certainly enjoyed making this content for you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also don't forget to follow me on my socials, which is going to be right here. My TikTok's over there, my Instagram's over there, so do go follow me. Honestly, what are you waiting for? So yeah, I'll see you guys. Please can we like get to 1,000 subscribers? Because come on, we're like at 874 subscribers. We can do better than that, can't we? Subscribe me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.